Amid the ongoing crisis, it is now more important than ever for the country's maritime sector to remain united and resilient as one community. The staging of this Maritime Expo, alongside our active participation and steadfast support, reflects our strong commitment to advancing the maritime industry and pursuing excellence despite the many challenges we have faced in recent years. From the devastating earthquake that struck Cebu to strong typhoons, the global pandemic and that tested our limits, and now the ongoing energy crisis. These experiences have only strengthened our resolve, highlighting our resilience and unwavering dedication. This is also a time when we must harness the collective support of our sectors to effectively overcome current challenges and move steadily toward our recovery. In solidarity with the maritime community, the Cebu Port Authority is doing its part to help mitigate the impacts of the ongoing oil crisis. Effective 18 April 2026 and for the duration of 2 months, CPA has implemented the following measures: 40% discount on berthing fees for domestic vessels calling at Cebu ports, 40% discount on anchorage fees for domestic vessels within CPA jurisdiction, suspension of Ro-Ro wharfage fees for cargo vehicles transporting purely agricultural products, suspension of passenger terminal fees in all CPA-operated terminals, and suspension of fees for single entry pass, watering permits, bunkering permit, and other Harbor Control Center approved permits. These measures position Cebu Port Authority to absorb the port's operational cost while ensuring the uninterrupted delivery of essential port services, including infrastructure maintenance, utilities, sanitation, security, and emergency response. The suspension of passenger terminal fees also means that CPA will subsidize the continued operation of passenger terminal buildings, covering services such as shuttle operations, comfort room maintenance, security, cleaning and sanitation, lighting and air conditioning, electrical and utility services, water supply and plumbing, emergency and medical services, pest control, and administrative support. These initiatives will undeniably impact CPA operations. In fact, initial estimate shows that within the first 2 days alone, around 1.9 million in revenue has already been waived. But despite this, we remain steadfast in our commitment to support our port stakeholders during this challenging period. Our priority is to ease the burden on port stakeholders and ensuring continuity of port services. Rest assured that Cebu Port Authority is one with the Philippine maritime sector, and we will continue working to sustain and further strengthen Cebu's standing as one of the country's premier maritime hubs. Once again, we thank you for this opportunity, and we look forward to working together to explore better and even greater possibilities. May this 3-day activity be both meaningful and productive. Thank you very much, and maayong buntag kanatong tanan.